How do you make it move? No, why don't you clap? Clap.
No, it's like to get on its back, goes more. Oh.
Yeah, you just got your car. How long did that take us to build that?
Don't know.
Long time, huh? Say thank you, Aunt Tracy.
Thank you, Aunt Tracy.
And who's Tracy's husband? Your uncle. Uncle who?
Uncle Lonnie.
Yeah, you got that.
Thank you, Uncle Lonnie. Thank you, Uncle Lonnie. And that's Tracy. It's chasing my